Turnover is the heartbeat of hospitality. Guests leave, new guests arrive. Everything in between must be flawless, and laundry is always at the center of it. When laundry fails, turnover slows, stress rises, and complaints begin. That's why Mountain Fresh Laundry ends customer complaints by fixing the problem at its source. Mountain Fresh Laundry is designed for speed, volume, and precision. Inside our operation, commercial laundry carts move through an efficient system that ensures every sheet and towel receives the same level of care. Outside, box trucks are loaded with clean, folded linens, moving on schedule to support properties that can't afford delays. For short-term rental operators, laundry is often the most time-consuming part of the job. Mountain Fresh Laundry's short-term rental laundry service eliminates that burden. We manage everything from pickup to delivery, ensuring your rentals are ready for guests without last-minute scrambling. You never have to wonder if laundry will be done on time. It will be. For hotels, motels, and resorts, consistency defines success. Our commercial laundry service supports high-volume operations with dependable turnaround and consistent quality. Whether it's daily towel rotation or a full linen replacement, we deliver results that align with your brand promise. Mountain Fresh Laundry ends customer complaints because we don't rush quality, we engineer it. We also understand that no two businesses operate the same way. That's why we provide custom pricing for large orders and customizable service plans that align with your property size, booking volume, and scheduling needs. Need daily service? Need flexible pickup times? Need a partner who adapts as your business evolves? Mountain Fresh Laundry builds solutions around you. Our professional-grade equipment, experienced team, and scalable logistics ensure every load meets commercial hospitality standards. Cleanliness isn't treated as an afterthought. It's treated as a priority. When your laundry partner performs at a high level, everything improves. Staff productivity increases. Turnovers become smoother. Guests walk into a space that feels clean, intentional, and cared for. That feeling turns into better reviews. Better reviews turn into repeat bookings. Mountain Fresh Laundry isn't just a service. It's operational support for hospitality professionals who expect excellence. Visit mountainfreshlaundry.com and discover how the right laundry partner can transform your business.